goodness gracious. What is up, guys? So I am filming today's intro from my phone camera. I don't know if you can even see me on this camera. It's pretty not a great camera for filming, but yeah, so we've got some storm clouds rolling in. I'm going to try to hit the creek today for, maybe an hour or two, depending on how fast this rain comes in. But I'm over here at the storage unit. I'm going to pick up a couple rods, and we're going to do a little creek fishing. I don't really have a ton of time today. Like I said, it's supposed to storm, pretty good. So I'm going to get this boat, or I'm not going to get this boat on the water. So just going to head down the creek, strap up the waders for a minute, and see what we can catch in the time that we've got. So just a quick little intro today. Don't have my big camera, so we'll see you guys at the water. This is a really good section of this particular creek, and I haven't fished it in a couple months. There was some smallmouth down here a couple months ago. There should be some smallmouth in it now. If you guys have not caught on to it yet, I am a bit of a smallmouth connoisseur. It's probably my favorite fish to catch, and I love getting in the creek to catch these guys. I have kayaks, I have a boat, but I'm just always drawn to the creek and the smallmouth that I can catch in it. It's fun to me. To me it's more fun than fishing on a boat sometimes. So I tend to gravitate towards the creek on especially days like today. I don't have a ton of time. I do have time. Time's not the issue. It's just the weather. It's supposed to rain, and it's already dropping in temperature a little bit. It's like 76 degrees yesterday. And today it's down in it feels like it's 45, 50 degrees, but wow, this creek is a lot different. The layout is, wow, it's crazy. That's something. What we got here? Oh my god, a little creek chub. Are you kidding me? Creek chub on the jig. It's a pretty little fish. Ugh, they smell so bad. They smell like shad. Shad have that just gross smell. We're gonna go ahead and move on. I'm not about to sit here and fish for creek chubs, so we're gonna move on. This is where the magic happens, up here. I don't see any fish yet, but it's a pretty deep hole. This is the deepest hole in this particular creek. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know if that's a small. Yep, that's a smallmouth. Decent little fish. Oh yeah. He's got a little belly on him. They're already starting to feed. Again, using this little sunfish IPA jig. It's kind of like got a little watermelon, green, pumpkin, chartreuse colors to it. But yeah, nice little smallmouth. I don't know, 8 inches, well, 10 inches, 12 inches, I don't know. Nice little fish. I'll let him go. I know there's got to be a bigger one in here. But I saw one just swipe at it and miss. Yep. It's a little bit better of a smallmouth, I think. Let's set this bag down. I got it in between my legs. Yep. That's a nice smallmouth. It's probably my biggest of the year. Oh, wow. Yeah, he's strong. These fish are so strong. These creek fish are so strong. Alright. Get over here. Well, didn't mean to drag you on the bank. That's a decent little fish right there. These things are eating today, guys. I didn't know if they were going to eat this little this little jig with this trailer on it, but they're actually loving it, seems like. That's a good little smallmouth right there. These things fight hard. It's fun to catch him. Let him go. Still looking for a little bit bigger. The rain is kind of coming and going. Keep casting this little hole. I don't want to move any further up and spook them off, so. Okay, that feels like a good one. Feels like a good one. They're loving this jig. Okay, yep, that is a good smallmouth. Yes, that's a nice one. First good one of the year, guys. Right as it starts to come down. This little jig out of his mouth. Yeah, that's a good one. It's a good fish. Good strong fish. I figured they'd be up in here. I didn't know if they were gonna be eaten or not, but they are definitely liking this jig. So we are not gonna change up a thing. We are gonna keep throwing this. We're going to catch as many fish as we possibly can. I'm fine with getting a little wet. I don't want to get okay. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was a giant. That was a giant. Oh my god. It's a good one. God, I'm telling you, these freaking smallmouth, I swear, I mean, it feels like you're fighting giants every time you catch one. They're all, well, they're not all the same size at all. There's some good fish in here, but just pop it right out. Whoop. Nice. I can see my breath right now, so it's definitely dropped in temperature. Okay, that's the big guy. Oh my god! Oh my god. That was the one, guys. That was the one. That was the freaking one. I did not feel him. I did not really feel him bite that hard, so I didn't set the freaking hook. When I fish the creeks, what I try to do, I'll walk one way fishing one bait, and I always try to change it up on my way back, just to give these fish something, you know, different to look at. You know, especially if you do lose a, you know, good fish. You had one and might have had one just bite it. You might not even have lost it necessarily, but you know, you give that fish something a little bit different to look at, and you might can fool him. I don't think that one's giant. Oh, that's a decent fish. I don't know if that's a large, is that a largemouth? That's a largemouth. So strange. These fish, this is, golly. All these fish are beat up. This thing's got, I mean, it looks like some kind of infection or something it's got. They're all eaten, but they're getting eaten up by these cranes in here. Herons, whatever they are. I can't stand those birds. God damn. Whew. Y'all, I about just had a damn heart attack. Freaking pigeon flew out from that bridge. Scared the hell out of me. There's a big bass right there. I missed him. Kind of missed my opportunity to get him. Oh, he's looking at it. He's looking at it. Oh yeah, I got him. He could not resist that thing. That's a good smallmouth too. Oh, oh my goodness, that is a freaking giant creek smallmouth. Come here, buddy, come here. Oh, that is awesome. Get that out of his mouth. That is awesome. That is what we are out here for. Wow. All right. We got a goose up there on some eggs. I'm trying not to get too close to her because I don't want her trying to kill me. Or the male trying to kill me. There's one over there kind of watching out. And then she's up there laying on some eggs. I'm going to try to stay as far away as I can. I don't want to piss them off. I'm just trying to fish this section over here. You're good. Get back to doing what you're doing. Lay down. Yeah, you're good. I don't care nothing about you. No, keep those eggs warm. Keep the eggs warm. Alright, I got Mama Goose, Daddy Goose. They are mad. Just trying to stay as far away as I could from them. They're mad at me now. Okay, so I tried to take a different approach to these geese, and I think either way I'm gonna get my butt kicked by a couple of geese. I'm trying to stay away from you, damn it. Wow, this was not the right decision. I don't want nothing to do with y'all. I'm literally just trying to get down. God, I'm cornered. I'm cornered, guys. That is not safe. I have no idea what to do right now. It's like a giant warning saying, hey, we're about to take you out. There's no easy way down. They're so ready to beat me up. Now I gotta go through the water and face the male goose. Good God Almighty, y'all. Look at this. I don't want nothing to do with you. Oh my god. I'm literally about to get beat up by a goose. Oh my god. This is crazy. Get out of here. Get out of here. I don't know which one to turn my back to. Goodness gracious. Alright, I think I'm in the clear. Jesus. Good Lord. Alright. Y'all happy now? Alright, I'm glad that's over with. Freaking get out of here. Leave those stupid things alone. Little fish. Oh my god. Okay. That was a good smallmouth. I would assume that you guys just saw that. There's no way that he was the one that... That's a largemouth. It's crazy. You can take a smallmouth, same exact size as a largemouth, and the smallmouth fights twice as hard. It's a really pretty largemouth though. Whoop. Come here, buddy. Alright. Let you do your little flopping game. Yeah, it's a real pretty largemouth. Fat belly. Yeah, it's a beautiful fish. Yeah, real good size. Get back in there. I swear that was a smallmouth that came up and tried to get that bait though. What's going on, guys? So, fished in the creek today and caught some fish. It was pretty nice. It was the first day of the year that I fished in the creek and actually caught like consistent bass. You know, had fun, caught some rock bass, caught some smallmouth, caught some largemouth. So, caught fish. It was fun. Threw a few different baits today. Lost a few, you know, decent sized fish. I didn't catch any, like, you know, giants. I called one of those fish a giant, and it really was not a giant. It was a decent, you know, creek smallmouth for that particular, you know, section of the creek. But no giants today. I lost, you know, a couple good ones, but kind of fished the same thing all day. I started off with this Sunfish IPA jig. I fished this in my little kayak fishing video the other day and had a lot of luck with it. It's got a small hook, but it gets the job done. It's a good little color. And I started off fishing it with the, I can't find it now. There it is. Snow Spin Beetle Spin Trailer. So a lot of people are probably thinking, what the hell? Yeah, it worked. It worked good, and it honestly, I lost like most of the fish, or I lost most of the good fish on this. I lost two good ones right off the bat on the jig with this as a trailer, and then I kind of switched up to, actually maybe I'm wrong about that. Maybe I switched up to this little Doomsday Reaper before I lost any fish. But this is more of a realistic presentation. Obviously a jig is supposed to, you know, replicate a crawfish. So I switched up to this little Doomsday Reaper 3 1/4 inch, and bit off the first section to get it to fit on this little jig, and that was the ticket for the smallmouth, at least. Lost a good smallmouth, and so I moved up the creek a little bit and decided to throw a robo worm. And then after that, I caught like 4 largemouth and switched back to the Doomsday Reaper. And I fished that weightless the rest of the day, and they crushed it. Some rock bass, some smallmouth. The biggest smallmouth of the day came off of this, and yeah, just kind of let it just do its own thing. I didn't really, fishing it weightless, just, it kind of just sinks down, and you don't really have to do too much. You just kind of try to make it look like a crawfish as much as possible. So everything I fished today was pretty much green pumpkin, other than this robo worm. And hell, it's still almost green pumpkin. It's the Aaron's Magic R&B. So caught fish today. I can't really complain. I've fished a few times here in the last couple weeks and haven't caught anything. And this was a good first day in the creek this year that I was actually just catching bass. So fun day, good day, can't complain. I was just trying to stay out of the rain. I didn't plan on fishing today. But yeah, it was a good day. Thank you guys for watching. Always, like these videos. It helps out, it just helps out the video. It helps out the video, guys. Just like the videos. Subscribe to the channel if you like the videos. I'm trying to, put a few videos out a week, and sometimes it just doesn't work out like that. You might film a whole entire day and you might not catch anything at all. So if you like the videos, subscribe and hit that like button, and thank you guys for watching. So we'll catch you guys next time.